Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can export video or part of your projects in CapCut PC version. So if you install this app as your video editor, it's very easy to use. This is a user-friendly application, like a simplified video editor that you can use to edit your video. For example, just try the basic one. You can add a motion blur, for example. So you can edit a little bit there is an AI movement that you can try, but you have to join Pro. So I adding a motion blur here, and also you can remove background, masking, retouch. Even you can use the animation here, like zoom in, and on the output you can zoom out or fold. Here the animation, out animation. So like this, let's try to play. So after you edit your video, you can export it. Just click export. So you have to name your project and export to your document. You can choose the library or you can choose the location when you save the video, and also the resolution up to 4K. So bitrate, you can go higher for smooth video or recommended. Codec is up to you. The default is H264, the most common compression method. And also the format, you can go to MOV or MP4. Frame rate, you can go to 60 frame rate per second. So changing it may affect your video quality and also the size. So there's audio. If you add audio, this option will turn on. Caption, you have to go Pro, and also you can check copyright here. After that, you can export your video. So you can view your video on your Explorer or on your file. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.